I might binge that, but you releasing it week after week, it just didn't get any better, and I start forgetting about it. I'm not looking forward to it. So it's got to be like this Game of Thrones, Meg, whatever of the Dragon.
Yeah,
House of the Dragon.
Yeah.
This is good enough for me to wait every week. I watch it every Monday when I get home from work. It's that good.
Docu-series, binge. Any of those docu-series, I think that's bingeable. The big shows, give it to me weekly.
And I know some people, what they do, for example, House of the Dragon, they'll wait a few weeks so the episodes stack up, and then they'll go watch it. Because they want to be able to watch 2 or 3 episodes back to back. So they're like, I'm just going to wait until they stack a few, then I'll start watching
Game of Thrones because it was so confusing.
Yeah.
There were so many different names and characters and what. I couldn't remember who the characters were.
And even when I'm binge watching a show, sometimes I kind of just graze over the episodes. Like, I might not be paying attention because I know there's more.
You've been watching it for 5 hours.
Yeah, I'm on my phone and texting and cooking. I'm doing all these other things except focusing on the show.
But for people who do want to binge, like Benny said, if you really love binging and you want to just watch episode after episode, you're just going to have to wait longer now.
I found a comedian, her name is Taylor Tomlinson.
Oh yeah, she's great.
I knew nothing about her. It popped up on like the recommended whatever at the top of Netflix, and she has 2 specials on Netflix. She is hilarious.
Okay, what's her name again?
Taylor Tomlinson. She's a younger woman. She's like in her mid to late 20s.
Okay.
But she's super funny.
See, that's one thing I love that Netflix has done. If you are into comedians, stand-up, anything like that, they showcase so many comedians that you would never even think of or even know how to find them. But yeah, I like that. Okay, she cute. Oh, she cute.
So Apple's new iOS 16 is coming out today, and it will change a few things on your phone, and we'll tell you what those are as soon as we get back. Hang on.
The spell is cast. Halloween time is back at the Disneyland Resort.
And 99.7 now has your chance to Happy Hauntings are returning to both Disney California Adventure Park and Disneyland Park.
Fiendish family fun happening now through October 31st.
And you won't want to miss Celebration.
Visit 997now.com to see how you can win 2-day, 1-park tickets.
Offering subject to capacity, restrictions, and change without notice.
When a truly spectacular gemstone is discovered,
it usually finds its way to Robert Prokop.
magical gemstones belong in the hands of a magical jeweler.
The exceptional jewels of Robert Prokop
And the startling pieces of jewelry they become.
are available.
And one of those places is Shreve, of course. Jewelry that exists in a dimension of its own. The flagship Shreve's at 150 Post off Union Square.
In Palo Alto, Shreve is perfectly situated in the Stanford Shopping Center.
Looking for a rewarding new career? Join the United States Postal Service and apply for roles. Whether you are looking for full-time, part-time, or seasonal positions, we have options that may be perfect for you. The United States Postal Service is an equal opportunity employer. Apply now at USPS.com/careers.
Life gets a lot more magical when you dream. So let's dream of a vacation unlike any other. A magical Disney cruise.
Hiya, pal.
Where new stories meet tales as old as time.
Hey, mon ami.
And your family will be cared for the moment you step aboard. Book a limited time sailing from San Diego and get ready for a dream come true with Disney Cruise Line.
Advertisement by Zimmerman Reed of 2381 Rosecrans Avenue, Suite 328, Manhattan Beach, California, 90245. Consent is not a condition of purchasing goods or services.
Attention all rideshare and food delivery drivers or former rideshare driver, listen closely, as you may be entitled to significant compensation. That's right, if you drove for a rideshare or food delivery service anytime in the past 3 years, you may be entitled to significant cash for unpaid wages and mileage. Text REPAY to 323232 right now to see if you qualify for compensation. That's 323232. Rideshare and food delivery services may be in violation of federal and state employment delivery driver, part-time or full-time, anytime during the last 3 years. You may be entitled to significant compensation. Text REPAY to 323232 now to see if you qualify for compensation. Hurry, time is Text the word repay to 323232 now. Text repay to 323232.
Texting privacy policy and terms and conditions posted at textplan.us. Texting enrolls you for recurring automated text marketing messages. Message and data rates may apply. Reply stop to opt out.
Hey everybody, it is Fernando, and I just want to take this time to remind you to stick with me. The fun continues Day mornings when I'm on the radio. Maybe you've been away for a minute or you didn't know I was on after 10 o'clock. Let me take this time right now to welcome you and invite you to spend your workday with me. We'll make the day go by so fast, I promise. After 10 o'clock, I'll talk to you then. It is Fernando at 99.7 now.
Hey, this is Greg. Still loving my LASIK vision thanks to Harvard MD Dr. Scott Hiver. So are you sick of these crazy Bay Area prices everywhere you look? Then good news, because Dr. Hiver is now attacking inflation head on. That's right. Dr. Hiver is now rolling. In fact, he's rolling prices back a full 10 years, all the way back to 2012. So here's your chance to save yourself a bunch of money on these low LASIK prices from the past while getting state-of-the-art LASIK with Dr. Scott Hiver. But the special 10-year LASIK price rollback offer ends October 30th. So call now to schedule your free LASIK evaluation with Dr. Hiver in Daly City, Santa Clara, or San Ramon. Just go to scotthiver.com. That's SCOTTHY, V as in vision, ER.com.
This offer is not good on prior purchases and other restrictions apply. The proceeding was a paid endorsement. Scott Hiver Vision Care Inc. Corporation.
In the morning, I see people strutting around the office with what they call breakfast. So McDonald's breakfast is my office flex. I get a sausage McMuffin made with savory sausage topped with melty American cheese, a sausage burrito loaded with fluffy eggs, sausage, melty cheese, green chilies, and onion, or crispy hash browns. And then I get another one for just $1. Nobody can match my breakfast flex. Ba-da-ba. Other offer or combo meal, valid for item of equal or lesser value.
Today on Hey Culligan, better water that cares. Jane's on the line.
Hey, Culligan, how can I avoid using all those plastic water bottles that harm the sea turtles?
Jane, our always-on drinking water system helps eliminate the equivalent of 15 billion. So you see, Culligan cares about sea turtles too.
Aw, plastic pollutes and Culligan cures.
That's catchy, Jane, and totally.
Take it, like now.
Jane, we're already on the way. Let us help you out with a free in-home water test with a local Culligan water expert at Culligan.com.
Realtors abide by a code of ethics. This is Article 9 in action. Beth, a first-time homebuyer, knew nothing about the home buying process, except that she wanted to buy a home. But her realtor had the expertise to make sure Beth understood every document, even giving her copies to review with her lawyer so Beth could close on her first home with confidence. Complicated things explained in. The difference between an agent and a realtor is real. Realtors are members of the National Association of Realtors. That's who we are.
Kelly Blue Book is the one-stop shop for pricing, fixing, selling, and instant cash offering. Instant cash offer is exactly what it sounds like. An official offer to buy or trade your car. Just enter your VIN or license plate, answer a few questions about your car's history, and what kind of condition it's in. In minutes, you'll receive your car that you can be sure is fair. Then choose a dealer to purchase your car and schedule a time to meet. For all of the it's, KBB.com.
Public, so we decided to sing about it. Roll super mega for your backside. Shake it pretty to the Charmin slide. Super mega make you feel alright. Everybody do the Charmin slide. Long lasting tape gets everybody going. Please booty's clean and totally.
That's nice, so I'm hoping.